quick. She took a quick nap after lunch. She took a quick nap after lunch. She took a quick shower this morning. She took a quick shower this morning. Kind. She is always kind to everyone. She is always kind to everyone. He is a kind person who helps others. He is a kind person who helps others. Hasty. He made a hasty decision and regretted it. He made a hasty decision and regretted it. His hasty actions caused a problem. His hasty actions caused a problem. Alone. She was alone at home yesterday. She was alone at home yesterday. She likes to be alone sometimes to think. She likes to be alone sometimes to think. Isolated. He felt isolated when he moved to a new city. He felt isolated when he moved to a new city. She felt isolated in the new school. She felt isolated in the new school. Lonely. She felt lonely when everyone went home. She felt lonely when everyone went home. He felt lonely in the big, empty house. He felt lonely in the big, empty house. Solitary. He enjoyed a solitary walk in the park. He enjoyed a solitary walk in the park. She likes to read a solitary book in the garden. She likes to read a solitary book in the garden. Solo. He took a solo trip to the mountains. He took a solo trip to the mountains. She took a solo walk in the park. She took a solo walk in the park. Sleepy. She felt sleepy after a long day at work. She felt sleepy after a long day at work. He is sleepy and wants to go to bed. He is sleepy and wants to go to bed. Drowsy. She was drowsy after staying up too late. She was drowsy after staying up too late. He felt drowsy while reading in bed. He felt drowsy while reading in bed. Dozy. He felt dozy after a long day. He felt dozy after a long day. I felt dozy after lunch, so I took a short nap. I felt dozy after lunch, so I took a short nap. Sick. I have a cold and feel sick. I have a cold and feel sick. The baby is sick, so she needs medicine. The baby is sick, so she needs medicine. Unwell. John feels unwell and is resting at home. John feels unwell and is resting at home. He went home early because he felt unwell. He went home early because he felt unwell. Under the weather. I'm feeling a bit under the weather today. I'm feeling a bit under the weather today. She stayed home because she was feeling under the weather. She stayed home because she was feeling under the weather. Ailing. She visited her ailing friend in the hospital. She visited her ailing friend in the hospital. My ailing grandmother needs rest. My ailing grandmother needs rest. Queasy. I felt queasy after eating too much. I felt queasy after eating too much. She felt queasy after spinning around. She felt queasy after spinning around. Injured. She injured her leg while running. She injured her leg while running. He was injured in the accident. He was injured in the accident. Painful. My head is very painful. My head is very painful. The cut on my finger is painful. The cut on my finger is painful. Strict. The teacher is very strict about homework. The teacher is very strict about homework. His parents are strict about her schoolwork. His parents are strict about her schoolwork.